Good morning, friends. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem, another Java problem. So let's write the problem statement. So user need to give the input and user need to print the digits of that number from reverse side. User need to print digits of that number reverse side one by one by using functions. So user need to give input and user need to print digits of that number from reverse side one by one using functions. So this is the problem statement. So import java dot util dot star scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So that's why I'm writing the program. So instead of star, we can write scanner like this also. Scanner. We are only using scanner, right? That's why I can use scanner also like this. And after that, I will take n is equal to sc dot next in. And I will call reverse side numbers. And I will pass n here. I'll pass n here. So then I will call that function here. So public static int reverse side numbers and I will pass n. And here I will open for loop. And its for loop should travel until n becomes 0. So n not equal to 0. Until n not equal to 0, the loop should do its work. So what work should do? I want the last digit. So how can I get the last digit? I want the units digit. I want the units digit. So I want the unit digit. And how can I get that? N mod modulus 10. Then I will get the reverse, like the unit digit, and I will print that unit digit. And I will print that unit digit. I'll print that unit digit each time. And so until n not equal to 0, it should loop, right? So whenever I took the last digits, so I have to take a last digit from the n. I have to took the last digit from the n. For example, if I have 5, 6, 4, so I have removed this 4 by using and modulus 10, right? So after that, I should not keep 560. I should not keep 4 in that number, right? I have to put only 56. So that's why to remove 4, I'm using the statement n is equal to n by 10. N is equal to n by 10. So what will do n is equal to n by 10? It will remove the last digit and it will store the 56 in the n variable only. So the n value will be updated from 564 to 56. So until n becomes a 0, until unless it becomes 0, the while loop will execute the loop. So that's it. Problem is completed. So reverse. So reverse side numbers. Reverse. Okay. Whatever may be the name. So let us run the program. So here it's having yeah, it's about the program again. So we are getting one error. What's that error? So we got an error like this. So let's debug what happened. So we have written the button, and we have written n, and we have written function, and we have written public static and int. So I think we should write void, because it should not, it is not returning anything, right? It's not returning anything. So after that, reverse in numbers, and we are taking last digit and printing, and we are updating. Yeah, so this is the problem. Let's run the program again. Let's give. So the error is gone. So you have to think, like, if you want to return anything. So we are not writing anything to this side, this function, right? So that's why you should write void. I hope you understand what is the difference between written types, void and integer, with this error. So let us write the numbers 9856. So 6589. So we got the output. So this is how we can traverse, like debug the code, and we can solve the problem. So that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any doubt, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video to your friends and family members, so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon, then only you will get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.